Are you looking for a way to make money with no effort? Check out this video and learn how you can generate passive income with a free mobile app. Discover all the features and benefits of this amazing money-making tool and start making money every minute from the comfort of your home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your life for the better. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. I discovered an easy and free way to earn passive income every minute with a new mobile app. No experience needed, and no special tools required. You can start making money today using free app called OnePulse. OnePulse is a market research app that lets you earn cash by answering short 3-question micro surveys called pulses all 365 days of the year. Pulses are short surveys typically curated by global brands to collect your opinion. Pulses are always a set of 3 questions to make it quick and easy for you to get stuck in and earn some cash at the same time. Topics of the pulses vary quite a bit from lifestyle to your impression of current events. You can even see how your responses stack up against the rest of the community, all anonymous, of course. You can expect to be asked your opinion on specific topics, views, events, and behavior. Fancy the skinny latte over the frothy cappuccino? You could find yourself having to choose during a pulse. Besides being asked questions about your favorite hot beverage, it's common to see pulses for topics such as eating out and your opinion about how the government tackles core issues. Fill out a survey while you're out and about. Each pulse survey takes less than 1 minute to complete. With each pulse you complete, a reward will appear in your account. The more pulses you complete, the higher you rank and the more cash you will earn. You can increase your earnings via experience points. Those experience points are gained with pulse completions. Each level requires a certain amount of experience points to reach the next one and increase your payout per pulse you complete. The more you interact and give your honest opinion, the more money you will earn and the higher your level will be. Also, you can access weekly quizzes with bonus rewards. You can cash out your earnings once you have $20 in rewards. Cashing out is simple and requires a PayPal account where they will send the cash for you to do what you need to. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.